I'm Michael, and I live in Chicago, Illinois. I've been a PayPal customer since I can remember, since the day I got my first paycheck, really. My top 3 money saving tips are pay myself first, keep track of my budget, and always look out for rewards. Anytime I'm browsing on my phone to make a purchase, I check to see if there's any cashback offers. I activate them and make the purchase. Once I get into something, I get all in. I love stacking points. I take advantage of cashback offers and the points from my credit card. A lot of the items I save on the PayPal app are face care products. I found a cashback offer for some cosmetics. The PayPal Honey extension offered me a promo code and took additional money off. I checked out using PayPal and I maximized my points on the credit card that's linked to my PayPal account, and that's how I stacked. It feels so satisfying. The PayPal app is my one-stop shop to check out my favorite brands, save down, cashback offers, so next time I check out at the merchant, they'll automatically apply. I love rewards. Rewards are my jam.